Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is a fan of Dogecoin. Musk, the world's richest man, refers to it as people's crypto. Many people working on Tesla's assembly lines or creating rockets at SpaceX own Doge, even though they are not financial specialists. That's why Elon decided to back Doge. It seemed like the crypto for the people. Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Trends. Today we brought you news concerning Elon Musk's thoughts on Bitcoin. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's get right to it. In a recent conversation with Time magazine, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, stated that Dogecoin is a far more superior crypto coin in terms of transactions per day. Bitcoin has a low transaction value and a high transaction cost. It is suitable as value storage, at least in terms of space. However, Bitcoin is not a satisfactory substitute for transactional currency. And while Dogecoin was created as a prank, it is better suited for transactions. Dogecoin's overall transaction flow is transactions per day, which has a far greater potential than Bitcoin. He also says that one of the reasons investors should always conduct their research before deciding where and how to place their money. According to Elon, it is never a brilliant idea to make an investment decision based on just the opinion of a celebrity, that a service or a product is a good investment. The tales of crypto and their operation. The safety of cryptocurrencies is heavily influenced by the cryptocurrency exchange you use. A crypto exchange is a website where users may buy, sell, or swap cryptocurrency. It functions similarly to an online brokerage in that consumers can deposit fiat money and then use that money to buy Bitcoin online. There are two kinds of cryptocurrency exchanges, centralized and decentralized, each with its own set of advantages and drawbacks regarding security and dependability. Suppose you choose to use a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, like Binance, WazirX, or CoinDCX. In that case, you will be employing the services of a corporation that enables crypto-to-crypto and crypto-to-fiat transactions between two or more people. When registering on the platform, such exchanges require users to provide Know Your Customer (KYC) papers. Users can transfer money and buy or trade crypto coins after signing up. After that time, the exchange takes possession of your digital assets as well as your private keys. The point is, it is worth emphasizing that virtual currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin are stored in a wallet, which may be accessed by using your private key, which is the crypto equivalent of a super secure password, and without which the crypto holder cannot access the money. Furthermore, centralized exchanges do not offer you a private key to the cash, but instead take control of your keys. As a result, whether you want to trade or make a purchase, the exchange verifies it on your behalf and according to your instructions. When a cryptocurrency transaction is complete, the exchange usually modifies the balance in the wallet of the two parties to indicate the transaction on their app or website. Now coming back to our discussion. Dogecoin was founded in 2013 by software developers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a speedier but more fun alternative to Bitcoin. It began as a spoof on the several fraudulent cryptocurrency coins that had sprung up at the time, and it draws its name and emblem from a Shiba Inu meme that went widespread several years ago. According to CoinDesk, the Dogecoin's transaction price, or gas charge, remains very modest, averaging about 65 cents, approximate Rs. 50 each transaction, whereas a single transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain can cost more than $15, Rs. 1,149 approximately. This comes after Musk stated that Tesla would take Dogecoin for merchandise on a trial basis. Elon said in a tweet that Tesla would make some items available through Doge and see how it goes. Tesla sells items such as shirts, belt buckles, tiny versions of its vehicles, a quad bike for kids called the Cyber Quad, and a whistle called the Cyber Whistle, which is fashioned after its much-anticipated Cybertruck. Here's what Musk said about crypto at B-Word Conference. Billionaire Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, frequently tweets about several cryptocurrencies, which appears to have influenced their pricing. Several times in 2021, the value of an altcoin, dubbed Shiba Inu, seemed to rise after Musk constantly tweeted photographs of his Shiba Inu puppy. His enthusiasm for Dogecoin isn't new. Musk, in fact, began tweeting about Dogecoin in 2019. Despite Musk's claims that he hasn't lately communicated with Dogecoin developers, he has frequently referenced collaborating with them during the year. Musk has even laughed about Dogecoin becoming their next reserve currency. Elon Musk stated that his electric car and solar businesses could assist Bitcoin miners in switching to sustainable energy, but are now constrained by a scarcity of battery cells. He also admitted that Tesla is still not producing its custom-designed 4680 cells for commercial use in electric vehicles or electric storage systems. The remarks were made during a presentation at the B-Word conference, which focuses on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. During a panel discussion, Square Crypto CEO Steve Lee questioned Musk about what the energy-intensive Bitcoin business would do to accelerate the transaction to renewables and whether Tesla Energy could play a role. "Well, I think Tesla can play a significant role," Musk responded. The 50-year-old CEO then paused for a minute of reflection, hinting that Tesla's sole purpose was to convert the globe to renewable energy. Tesla has been selling commercial and residential solar installations since acquiring Solar City for approximately $2.6 billion in 2016, a transaction that landed Musk before a Delaware court this month. However, before entering the solar business, Tesla developed and began selling energy storage goods in 2015, along with a backup battery for homes called the Powerwall and larger batteries that can store intermediately generated solar or wind energy so that it is available for use whenever utilities require it. Musk reminded his audience on Wednesday that Tesla has constructed a number of these utility-scale energy storage systems that have assisted utilities with load leveling the grid, notably in South Australia and elsewhere. However, he emphasized that battery production was now limiting output. Musk also stated that even if Tesla can manufacture its battery cells, it will continue to rely on other manufacturers. Panasonic, LG, and CATL are its current cell suppliers. What does Musk say about Dogecoin? Tesla CEO is a fervent backer of Dogecoin because, to him, this is the best. And this was made evident following a recent Twitter battle between Musk and Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao. The billionaire investor and SpaceX founder expressed his worry about Dogecoin holders over the latest Doge issue at cryptocurrency exchange Binance. As a result of the problem, there were multiple erroneous Dogecoin transactions, and some users reported that their accounts had been frozen. Meanwhile, Musk had promoted Dogecoin over Ethereum, claiming that Doge can be used to make decentralized finance, DeFi, more accessible to all. DeFi systems is a blockchain-based type of finance that does not offer services to financial intermediaries, such as brokerages, exchanges, or banks. Users can store custody of their Ethereum-based crypto assets on such sites. According to CoinGecko, Dogecoin has increased by around 10% in the last 24 hours. Musk admits to investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Elon Musk helped Shiba Inu rocket up the leaderboard of the largest cryptocurrencies by the market price on a Sunday last year by posting a photo of his puppy. The meme coin is no longer available after stating that he does not own any. Musk answered a Twitter user's question about how many Shiba Inus he owns by saying, "None." In a subsequent tweet, he stated that he had purchased Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin, and that's it. An overview of his interview with Time magazine. Quite recently, Time magazine selected Elon Musk its Personality of the Year for 2021, and in an interview with the journal, the world's richest man stated that he doubts that crypto will supplant fiat currency. Given Musk's numerous remarkable words, acts, and accomplishments as the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Time dubbed 2021 the Year of Elon Unbound. Musk was recently named to CoinDesk's most influential list for his outsized influence, both positively and negatively, on cryptocurrency in 2021, especially the price of Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Musk stated that he is intrigued by Bitcoin and can go on and on about the concept of money as a data system for resource allocation. However, he believes that crypto will not replace fiat currency. Hey guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and got some great feels on what Musk thinks about cryptocurrency in general and about owning Dogecoin, Tesla, and Ethereum. Be sure to subscribe to Crypto Trends and drop a like if you haven't already. Till next time, see ya.